For my chain, the chain I mentioned earlier that I'm gonna be simulating, I'm gonna start by extracting the model of the low noise amplifier. So first of all, I click on the new button, then choose the SNP model and give a name for my model. For me, it's gonna be an LNA, simple name. Since I have an S2P file, it's 2 ports for me. Number of ports are 2. Then I'm gonna choose the file. My file is coming from measurement. So I'm choosing S2P file, and we have the maximum number of pollen residues. I advise to choose a low number of pollen residues, and then after the extraction, and you can visualize the results and see if you have to increase it or if it is sufficient. I'm gonna show you why. After that, you can choose the desired answer, and the rest of the parameters I'm gonna leave them as default, and I'm gonna extract. The extraction was pretty fast, and as we can see here, we can visualize the NMSE minimum and maximum. We're going to close and go to visualize the results of the extraction. Here we can see the different S parameters in dB and also their phase. For the S11, we can see in red the data, and we can visualize the noise measurements. And because I chose not to raise the number of pollen residues, the model is not following the noise of the data but fit in between them. But if I go and increase the number of pollen residues, in my case, and then extract it, it's gonna try to follow the noise of the measurement, and that's not a good thing in my case. So I'm gonna stick with the first model with the low number of pollen residues, and I'm gonna mark it as my favorite.